Cable ties are tools used for the realization of multiple packs, or for the combination of several products in promotional sales. All use polypropylene or polyethylene paper tapes of white or brown color, and of these there are several models, each with different characteristics. The operation of these is very simple. Just place the product on the plane of the clamp where there is a photo cell. That reading the product start the loop of clamping and welding. Removing the product, the machine raises and then prepares it for the next binding. The first model, the TZ888, a clamping table, uses tapes. With a width of 30 mm, has a closing speed of up to 25 cycles per minute. The tension of the clamp is adjusted by knob. While through button, you can decide on manual or automatic operation. The OTA 30, another model that features a 29 mm wide tape, with a length of 150 mm and a closing speed of up to 20 cycles per minute. The peculiarity of this machine is the possibility of installing it on a trolley with motorized reel holder that allows you to use reels with lengths from 500 to 1000 meters. Presents an automatic rewinder and also the possibility of saving time and cost of the cable ties. In fact, a touch screen for adjusting the parameters. Can use polypropylene clamps with thickness from 60 to 150 microns, polyethylene paper clamps with thickness from 100 to 130 microns. And the maximum speed is 30 cycles per minute. Also for this machine, there is the standard bench model or the model with motorized reel holder that allows the use of coils with length from 500 to 1500 meters. For more information, you can contact us by writing an email or by telephone.